How to set up Orbi Mesh System with OrbiLogin.net. Make sure you've all the components while unboxing: Orbi router, satellite, Ethernet cable, and power adapters. Plug the router into the modem using the Ethernet cable. Connect the power adapter to the Orbi router and plug it into an outlet. Wait for the LED to turn solid white. Place the satellite where you need extended Wi-Fi network. Plug in the satellite. Wait for the LED on satellite to turn solid blue. Go to Wi-Fi settings on your device and connect to the default Orbi Wi-Fi network, SSID, found on the router's label. Open a web browser, Chrome, Safari, on the device connected to the Orbi network. In the address bar, type OrbiLogin.net and press Enter. This will take you to the Orbi router login page. Enter the default admin credentials, username, admin password, or as per your router's label, click Log in to access the admin console. For security, change the default admin password immediately. Go to Settings, Administration, Set Password. The router should automatically detect connected satellites. Ensure that the satellites show a solid blue LED, indicating they are successfully paired. If not, use the Sync button on the router and satellite to initiate pairing. Under Settings, Wireless, set your desired Wi-Fi name, SSID, and choose the Wi-Fi Security Protocol, WPA3 recommended. In the Wireless Settings section, create a strong password for your Wi-Fi network. Ensure the router and satellites are operating on the same Wi-Fi network. The mesh system should automatically distribute coverage evenly across your home. Check for firmware updates by going to Settings, Firmware Update. If a newer version is available, update it for enhanced features and security. After the firmware update, log in again to make sure all settings are applied properly. In the admin console you can opt for optional self-customization features, guest Wi-Fi network, parental controls, traffic meter. To use custom DNS servers, go to Settings, LAN Setup and input your preferred DNS servers. To avoid interference, go to Settings, Wireless and manually select the best Wi-Fi channel, or enable Smart Connect to automatically choose the best channel. If you need to prioritize certain devices or activities, like streaming or gaming, go to Advanced.QoS Setup and configure the priority. Test your Wi-Fi speed and coverage throughout your home to ensure the mesh system is providing strong signals. You can use an online speed test tool to check your connection speed. Your Orbi Mesh system is now set up and ready. Enjoy seamless Wi-Fi coverage across your home through OrbiLogin.net. Thank you for watching our video.